It's cardboard shredder machine. It's shredding the waste cardboard into much time. The processed cardboard becomes softer than before and is easier to fold. So it's mainly used to pack fragile products, which is not only environmental protection but saves packing cost. This machine also can shred the carton into strips. The shredding width is 425mm or 325mm, and it cannot be customized. The shredding effect is perfect. It's a shredding paper test. Machine builds a simple structure and is easy to operate. Please click our website to know more.